We are here again at UC EXPO. We've been here for the past few years. For us, UC EXPO is a great show because it gets us connected with the right people at the right time. It's a great way for people to come in and see all of the vendors within the market. And for us, being one of the leaders in the market, it's imperative that customers can also speak to us. The biggest benefit we've had this year is really getting to speak to not only people we're already engaged with, but for new people that are just investigating what's out there and what's in the market. We've had a lot of speaking opportunities, so over the 2 days we've been speaking in 5 sessions. So not only are we talking about ourselves, we've also been able to talk about the market and a bit of thought leadership on what's happening and what we expect to happen over the next sort of 12, 24, 36 months. UC EXPO is one of the largest shows in the region for people looking at UC technologies. And for us to be in the position where we are of the market leader, we want to be at the forefront of events like this, and also to be able to share our opinion on where we feel the market's going and how RingCentral are helping to shape that market. There's a real good mix of people that attend the show, all the way through from end users, all the way to sort of key decision makers and heads of IT, and you get to speak to the right people at the right time. So we've been able to demo our solutions to both sets of audiences, and it's really good for us to get some feedback from those different types of people as well. A lot goes into these shows, so we do a lot of pre-briefings, make sure all of the team that are here over the 2 days understand exactly what's happening. We also look at who the audience is going to be to try and find out how we can make the most of the 2 days. So we do spend a lot of time preparing, and then even whilst we're here, we will make changes and make tweaks to our approach. Obviously, we're quite a big vendor here and one of the key sponsors, so making sure we make the most of our attendance here. So we've got the snazzy jackets, but from the branding before the event, and also the post-event stuff is definitely important for us. The show's grown year on year. This year, obviously, there's a CX slant on the show as well. So it's been interesting to see the different types of people that have been speaking, and also the kinds of things we've been speaking about in some of the CX theatres. So it's a bit of a shift from just pure technology to also customer experience and what the outcomes are, rather than what just the service or solution you're providing. We've got a number of speaking slots that we're running. We have also had some of the meetings booked with UC EXPO, so we're trying to leverage all of the different opportunities to try and make it as big and as successful for us as possible. The top tip for new exhibitors is to prepare well. So make sure all of the guys that are on the stand know exactly why they're here, that you have wrapped up the show well in terms of having the right conversations, and then the post-show wrap-up of reaching out to all the leads that you spoke to at the event. We will definitely be here next year, and we're looking forward to it already.